Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you some tactical analysis on the Bitcoin chart as Bitcoin appears to be selling off towards a key level of support. If that level of support is breached, then Bitcoin's price could be headed lower. Now, on the flip side, we will take a look at the possibility of Bitcoin bouncing off of that key level of support and where we could see resistance on the way back up. So that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to the charts. Now we will start over here on the 4-hour charts, and as you can see, Bitcoin's price is currently approaching this level of support that it has actually bounced off of multiple times since dumping down to 42,000 and coming back up into this level. Now the current 4-hour candle did just recently touch this 47,000 level. I actually have two lines in here, the 47,000 and 46.5. If that 46.5 level is breached, I will open a short. And one of the factors I'd be basing that short position on would be this descending triangle with the trend line headed down here and the support level being breached along this level here. And as you can see, Bitcoin is trending down and it is continuing to set lower highs on the way down. This is very bearish price action, and the more times Bitcoin tests this lower level down here, the more likely this level could be breached. Now on the flip side, if this level holds and the price is able to move back up, perhaps get above this downward trend line, I really wouldn't actually be that bullish until we actually see something above the 53.5 level, which was support back in this region. And in reality, I won't be going long on Bitcoin, as I have said in previous videos, until I see this price action back above probably the 61,000 level. However, Bitcoin has a long ways to go. The price is trending down, and it just recently dipped below 47,000. However, again, the level I'm really watching is 46.5. Now, if we jump over here to the daily candle chart, you can see the Bitcoin price is still well below these EMA ribbons, and in reality, until that price can get up above these EMA ribbons, I would not be looking to go bullish. This is actually a bearish signal, and therefore would add validity to getting short if we get that breach, again, probably down here around 46.5. Now, if we drop in the Fibonacci levels over here on the one-day chart and we swing low to high, and you can see the 786 level is acting as support right around 46.6, so that 46.5 could be confirmation on the breakdown. But on the flip side, the 618 level, which is right around 51,400, that did act as resistance. And again, the Bitcoin price has set a lower high after hitting resistance around this 618 level. We set a lower high and we're selling back off. And so in reality, this is very bearish price action. We have a lower high. We also have a lower low compared to these lows back here. However, with that being said, this could set up as a double bottom, and then tomorrow we could see a reversal back towards the top side. The first level we'd have to get through is this 51,400 level. From there, the next level is more than likely around 53.5, which was prior support. And you can even look back further and see it was prior support back here as well. And if the buyers can continue to step up and push the price up, then we're looking back at the 382 level, which is right around 58,000, which was kind of resistance, support, resistance. And then the final level for the bulls to be back in control, in my opinion, would be above 61,000, which was pretty good support, acted as resistance right here after it started to sell off. And so 61,000 towards the top side is what I'm watching. But with this current price action that we're looking at, it is very bearish, and so we could actually be headed lower. And at that point, I'd be looking at somewhere down around this 42,000 level that we sold off into, or clear back over here into the 39.6 or 41,000 price level could be where we sell off to, again, if this 786 level is breached. So in reality, the 786 level or the 46.6 or 46.5 is what I'll keep an eye on. That's more of a psychological number, is going to be my level of warning. If we breach through it, I will be getting short on Bitcoin. However, if we bounce off of it, then we could be looking back at another push up towards this 618 level, which is around 51,400. Let's again just call it 51.5. A breach above that level could give the bulls the footing they need to step this price on up through these other levels of resistance. But at the end of the day, this current price action is bearish, and so I would be looking at the possibility of a breach of the 786 level and then a sell-off as low as around 41,000. Now 41,000 is breached, then we could be looking back at that 28.8 level. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. We have a couple levels to keep an eye on. The 786, if that's breached towards the downside, and then the 618 level if it's breached towards the upside. If we see any kind of breach towards the downside, I will do an updated video, so now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. And on the flip side, if we breach up above the 618 level, I will do an update video with perhaps some bullish price targets. So if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.